Hello everyone, I will show you in this video how to create a stunning thumbnail using the glow effect in Canva. I am using a YouTube thumbnail site for this video and I'm using the pro version of Canva. What I'm going to show you requires a pro account because you need to create a transparent background. If you are using the free version of Canva, you can use this website to make your photo transparent. I will put the link in the description. Okay, let's get started. Make sure you open the Uploads tab and upload a photo that immediately says something about your video. So use a photo that stands out. I am using this photo, and in the photo you see a woman looking surprised, which can catch the viewer's eye immediately because her expression is very engaging. I will edit the photo, so I click on Edit Image and then I click on BG Remover. Only pro users can use this tool, so if you have the free version of Canva, see the link in the description to a website where you can make your photo transparent. As you can see, Canva has removed the background of the photo, and then you need to click on Shadows in the toolbar and select Outline. Make sure your photo gets an outline and set it to white, but first use a different color to see how thick the line should be on the photo. And then you click on Share and choose Download and make sure to select PNG and select Transparent Background, and then you click on Download. Now I will move my photo and create a new empty canvas. And then you need to create a nice background. I choose gradients and select a nice color. I choose a gradient color and I select a circle gradient. And the photo I will use will be placed in the middle. So the background will have a circle around it. So this background will also making the photo stand out of the thumbnail. If you are satisfied with your background, then you click on Upload again and upload the file you just saved. Make the image a bit larger and then click on Edit Image again, select Shadows again, and this time you choose for glow. Now you can adjust the settings and choose the intensity of the glow or whatever you like. I see that my background doesn't match well, it's too light, so I will change it later. But now you have created a glow effect around your photo. I am not done yet, so I will give you more tips how you can make your thumbnail better and to stand out from your concurrent or attract more viewers. To make your thumbnail even more eye-catching, it's important to add text. You can press the letter T on your keyboard to add text, or select text in the toolbar and click Add a subheading. I write in all caps clothes haul. It's useful to add text that says something about your video. And then click on Effects and choose Curve and then scroll down to adjust the curve slider. It's important to choose a nice font and make it larger to keep the thumbnail calm and readable. I choose to make the text white and then I search on Google for a transparent image of stars. I use this search term because I want to make the clothes haul text stand out more by adding emojis on both sides of the text. And these emojis are recognizable to everyone. I think everyone has used these once in their life, so make sure you use something in your thumbnail that your audience will recognize. You can also choose to use the logos of your brands you shopped, and then you can set these logos on both sides of the text. If your target audience sees a logo that they can recognize, they will also click faster on your video. And now it's the color's background that can make or break your thumbnail. So make sure you choose a color where all the images stand out well. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and I will do my best to help you.